What's that? Ring, 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 ring. That's our telephone. Ring. Hello? Yes? What? We're delivering a package to you today? Oh my God. Who is it? Tony Georgian? Ugh, I knew it. Because we live in George. Ugh, I don't even know how to say this. Anyways. Are you serious right now, bruh? He literally ordered a package. Yeah? It looks like he did. It's to 5846, right? Yeah, this is our house. Okay, then I guess that's your package. What? Yeah, I guess that's Tony's package, I guess. Are you serious that he ordered another package? This has been the second time. This has been the 5th time this week. What? Can you please just return it? It's too expensive to return. What piece of crap did he buy next? Let me guess, another stupid watch? No, he got a new Nintendo alarm clock. Pah, that's even more stupider. What? What? It's not that stupid. A lot of people love the Nintendo alarm clock. Really? Why? Well, because number 1, it's cool. Number 2, you can set an alarm and you can choose which face of Mario you want to wake up to in the morning. Still, can you please cancel that package, please? Well, sorry, I already bought it. And how much was it? Let me guess. $35? No, way higher. Okay, fine. How much was it? Only $130. $130? That's even more than my money. That's even lower than my money. How did he even pay for that whole clock? Well, he just paid for it, you know. As they say, people are so rich these days. I am not able to afford that. Well, no, he actually paid for it. Oh. Never mind then. Well, I'm done talking with you. I'm gonna go get him now. That little brat. That little brat is gonna get scolded. Oh, Tony. Oh, yes? Did you order a Nintendo alarm clock? Maybe. Maybe not. Come on, I know you did. Now why the hell did you just spend $130? Well, look, it's not that big of a deal. I didn't mean to. Jesus Christ. At least I don't have to pay any money for this. Yeah, I guess so. That's good. Well, anyways, you know what's coming today. What the I can't just stand this. Why do you really want the stupid alarm clock? Like, it's just an alarm clock. Why would you just want an alarm clock? You already have one up there. You actually have 2, a digital one and an analog one. So why do you need another one? Well, this one's digital. Another digital clock? Look, bro, you already have a digital clock up there. Didn't you see that? Yeah, but this clock is way cooler. It doesn't just have one alarm. You can choose the alarm face. Oh yeah, really? Yeah. Still, you're grounded for a month. Fine, I'll go to my room. Jeez, that little brat. Can't believe that he just spent money on a stupid girl clock. I'm gonna call the company again. Ring, 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 ring. Hello? Yes, I'm here to confirm that that I grounded my son because why did you ground him? Hey, you're not allowed to interrupt me. Yes, I am, because you shouldn't be so mean to him. You know that he really wants a package. He really needs that clock. Yeah, but he already has 2 clocks, an analog one and a digital clock. Really, I don't want to do this at 7:20 in the morning because I'm just so tired and stuff. Like this phone just woke me up because it started beeping until I found it that he find another package. Buying another package? Yeah. Well, I'm sorry. We would cancel it if you wanted us to, but unfortunately we can't cancel the order. What? Yeah, sorry. I know how much you don't want your son to have it, but he wants the package. Now, I want you to go unground him right now. Fine. Stupid people in America are so stupid. Okay, you can be ungrounded, Tony. Okay, thank you. Just why did you have to spend money on literally just a clock? You spended money on a lot of watches already. So how did you do that? Well, okay, fine. Well, I was just wanting to get the watch. You already have loads of watches, and you have loads of phones, loads of TVs. And now what? You want to get more alarm clocks? Just look at those alarm clocks up there. You can't have that many alarm clocks. Well, I only have 3. Having 3 alarm clocks is still a lot, Tony. You really need to stop buying this crap, okay? Okay, fine. Now I just have to find out so you can stop buying this shit. Okay, let's just talk about it. So you are not buying any more bad stuff. Get it? Okay, get it. Okay, good. Now you better get this stuff right now, okay? Cancel everything. Because I don't want to have to pay, even though I don't have to pay the 100, I still have to pay the 30. Did you know that? Oh, really? Yeah. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. And that's why, ring, 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 ring. The telephone again. Ring, 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 ring. Yes? Hey, are you done talking to your son? I was just talking to him and you interrupted me just right now. Oh, sorry about that. Well, anyways, I want to confess that we don't have to turn the package today. Oh, really? Thank you. Thank you. Hey, what are you doing? Nothing. Yeah, I still want the package delivered. Thank you, bye. Beep. Good. Your package is still being delivered, okay? Don't worry about anything. It's coming in a few minutes, okay? Okay. Might as well just end this video, guys. Now. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.